Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at those sleek, powerful gaming PCs and thought, I wish I could build one, but it seems so complicated? Well, today I'm going to show you that building your own computer is not only possible, but also an incredibly fun and rewarding experience. We're going to break it down, step by step, for absolute beginners. So, grab a notepad, and let's demystify the world of PC building together. First things first, let's talk about the core components. Think of it like a recipe. You have your main ingredients that you absolutely cannot skip. The first one is the brain of your computer, the CPU, or central processing unit. This little chip does all the heavy thinking. The two main players here are Intel and AMD. For beginners, a mid-range option from either brand, like an Intel Core i5 or an AMD Ryzen 5, is a fantastic starting point, offering great performance without breaking the bank. Next up, we need a body to connect everything. This is the motherboard. It's the big circuit board that everything plugs into. The most important thing here is compatibility. You need to make sure the motherboard's socket matches your CPU. So if you get an AMD CPU, you need a motherboard with an AMD socket. The motherboard's product page will always tell you which CPUs it supports, so just double check before you buy. Now for the short-term memory, or RAM. This is where your computer stores data it's actively using. For most gaming and general use, 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot right now. It's enough to run modern games and have a bunch of browser tabs open without your system slowing down. RAM comes in sticks, and they're super easy to install. They just click right into the motherboard. Of course, you need a place to store all your games, files, and your operating system. That's your storage drive. Nowadays, you'll want an SSD or solid-state drive. They are way faster than old-school hard drives, meaning your PC will boot up in seconds and games will load much quicker. A 1 terabyte SSD is a great starting capacity that gives you plenty of space for your favorite titles and applications. Alright, let's talk about the fun part for gamers. The graphics card, or GPU. This is what renders all the beautiful images you see on your screen. It's often the most expensive part of a build, but it's what makes the biggest difference in gaming performance. Brands like NVIDIA and AMD lead the market. A card like NVIDIA SRTX 4060 or an AMD RX 7600 is a solid choice for playing most new games at high settings on a standard 108p monitor. To bring it all to life, you need a power supply unit, or PSU. This component takes power from your wall outlet and delivers it to all your other parts. Don't cheap out on this. A reliable power supply from a reputable brand is crucial for system stability and safety. You can use online calculators to figure out how many watts you need, but for a build like we're discussing, something in the 650 to 750 watt range will be more than enough. Finally, you need a case to put it all in. This is where you can really express your style. Just make sure the case is the right size for your motherboard. Common sizes are ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX also. Look for a case with good airflow to keep your components cool. And that's it. Those are the 7 essential parts to build your very own PC. It might seem like a lot, but once you have the parts, the assembly is like putting together a set of high-tech Legos. There are tons of great video guides online that can walk you through the physical build process, screw by screw. I hope this overview helped make the idea of building a PC a little less intimidating. It's a journey, but a super satisfying one. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments if you're planning your first build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.